Look at our egusi soup, melon soup. Yeah. Hello my wonderful people, trust you're doing very well. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Oluwatunseyi. You're welcome to cooking series where I share healthy, quick and easy to make food recipes that you can try at home. For today, I'll be preparing a special recipe for those who want to know how to make egusi, that's melon soup, without frying. You are in the right place. Kindly watch this video to the end as I show you how easy it is to make egusi melon soup without frying while using dry and easy to get ingredients. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so and hit the notification bell next to it so that when I upload a new video, you will be among the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much for supporting this channel. Here are the ingredients. This is melon, cups of melon, goat meat. I have 7 small pieces of grilled goat meat in here, dry chili pepper, 1 tablespoon, very spicy. It's depends on your taste. If you want it to be very spicy, you can add more. Ground catfish, 1/4 of a quarter cup of dried ground catfish. Locust beans, these are dry locust beans, 1/8 of a cup. These are dried ones. You don't need any washing at all. I hear people talk about washing their locust beans before using. This has been hygienically prepared and it has no sand or stone, so it's already fit for consumption. You have your palm oil here, 1/2. That's, you have your palm oil here, 1/2 cup of palm oil. Then this is turmeric and ginger, dry turmeric and ginger mix, 1 tablespoon. Then we have the dry bitter leaves, 1/2 cup of dried bitter leaves. So over here is the salt. And I have 3 cups of water here. These are the cups, the measuring cups and spoons I used. So over to the cooking now. So from the water I had, the 3 cups of water, I just took 1 cup from it. I just want to mix this melon with some water. I'm going to be making some balls with it. Turn on your cooker, put some water. I'm going to be putting the meat first because I want it to soften a little. So gradually start dropping the then to cover it for a minute and then I'll add more water.
after 1 minute, I need to add more water. So, just 1 cup of water I'm adding to it. I'll start putting my ingredients gradually. Ground fish, ground catfish, turmeric and ginger mix, dried chili pepper, stir everything together. I'm still going to add water. It's not enough. I'm going to add a little salt to this. So this 1/4 teaspoon I'm going to be putting 2 of it. So I'm still going to put more salt if need be at the end of everything, depending on how it's tasting. So but for now the salt is okay. So cover it up. After 1 minute I'll come back to add more water. Reduce the flame to avoid some splashes, and then I'm going to put 1 cup directly on the ingredients. Next thing is to add my palm oil. Come back after 3 minutes. So it's 3 minutes now. I'll just lower the flame. Let's check the salt. I'm going to add 2 of this. That means I added half. And the other time too, I added half teaspoon. So that means for the cooking of this in total, we need just 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. So I'm going to add the remaining water. And also that means in total we used 6 cups of water. So this is going to still cook before I add the bitter leaf. The bitter leaf is going to be the last thing. Any lump that I feel is too big, I'm going to use this spoon to cut it a little. 2 pieces the lump of balls. I don't want it to be too big, so I think this is okay. Okay, so this is going to stay now for 2 minutes, and then we will come back to pour the bitter leaves. The last thing is to pour the bitter leaf. Remember, this recipe is mainly from dry ingredients. Preparing our egusi soup, our melon soup, from dry ingredients. That's why I'm using dry bitter leaves. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to this.
I'm going to add the 7th and of course the last cup of water and allow it to cook for 3 minutes, and the soup will be ready.
Look at what we have here. This is after 3 minutes. Let's look at what we have here. This soup is ready. Our melon soup is ready. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. And you'll be getting more videos, more cooking videos like this.
Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, which promises to be interesting. Be happy.